had the Excalibur reforged to strike down the Fisher King and destroy Arthur's twisted soul fragment embedded in his tortured flesh. He doesn't leave Castle Corbenic anymore, so that's where I will confront him. I have no intention to lay a siege to the fort, though. I'll leave such grandiose gestures to other knights. Lady Guinevere knows about a secret entrance that leads straight to the heart of the castle. This could be our best chance. I've never liked sneaking around in the shadows like a cutthroat, but the secret entrance was a good idea.
This may serve a higher purpose.
The Fisher King will not expect us to strike from the heart of his castle.
Aye, I was drunk as a lord, but I swore I heard the king's quarreling with himself in 2 voices in all. Bloody hell! How did they get in? Kill them! We can't let them reach the throne room.
The Lord is my witness.
For king and country.
You must be really desperate.
Blessings.
For my Camelot.
Your command.
No mercy for the wicked. I serve the Lord.
What do you want from me? You think I can't fight?
Your orders.
I serve the Lord.
None can stand in my way.
Do you need any wise words?
Kneel before your king.
Sinners shall bleed.
Your command.
I can take them all.
What's it gonna be?
None can stand in my way.
Sinners shall bleed.
Do you need any wise words?
I fight for honor.
Do you need any wise words?
Blessings. For the Lord Almighty.
Your orders. For the round table.
Soon it's mine.
Do you need any wise words?
I fight for honor. Charge!
For my Camelot. Prepare to die.
No mercy for the wicked.
Justice has prevailed again.
Protect the king!
At your service, my lord.
What do you want from me?
Your orders?
Kneel before your king.
At your service, my lord.
What do you want from me?
I can take them all.
I serve the Lord.
I fight for honor.
You must be really desperate.
For king and country. Charge!
Sinners shall bleed. No mercy for the wicked.
None can stand in my way. Too late to run now.
you need any wise words. What do you want?
Try harder.
I fight for honor. For Camelot.
What's it gonna be?
For my Camelot. Time to feed the ravens.
Blessings.
Barely a hit. Well, it could have been worse.
I had a hunch about this.
This is the house of the Lord. Leave.
What an interesting find.
Kill me if you want, but I won't open the gate for you. Liar. He is the wounded king, the keeper of the Grail, the last beacon of Christianity in this forsaken land. Are you mocking the Fisher King, the martyr who is shedding his blood for this land? You are confusing a king in terrible pain with your treacherous monsters. You are right. I always had my doubts about my king, but I couldn't betray him. Can you save him? Then I will help you. I have opened the door. God have mercy on us.
Ah, I see something here. This chest shouldn't be here.
You shall not pass.
What's it gonna be?
Blessings.
Your orders?
I can take them all.
No mercy for the wicked.
For king and country.
You think I can't fight?
Kneel before your king.
Sinners shall bleed.
At your service, my lord.
No mercy for the wicked.
What do you want? I could be of some help, I suppose.
For my Camelot.
The Lord is my witness.
I fight for honor.
I could be of some help, I suppose.
Your command. For honor.
The Fisher King has the power of the Grail and the twisted might of Arthur. This will be a tough battle, but I'll make sure he dies this time.
Rise and shine, noble knights.
The Lord shall guide my hand. Are you here to make me suffer again?
Silence. He is not our destiny. We suffer because that makes us pure.
Does his voice make you mad? Always whispering in your head?
Pain is the price we must pay to cleanse Avalon.
Well then, I will be your healer.
Your orders?
You think I can't fight?
For my Camelot.
Sinners shall bleed.
Your command?
Let's see if I could help.
At your service, my lord.
None can stand in my way.
The Lord is my witness.
Percival's Dolores strong. Do you think you can kill me?
Is it true that he stabbed you in the groin, too? You'll never hurt me, that's right.
You think I can't fight?
Your command?
You think I can't fight?
Time to feed the ravens.
No mercy for the wicked.
I fight for honor.
enemies. It's not.
Starting with you.
The wasteland is the ash that must cover Avalon. And from the ashes, a new world will grow.
You must be really desperate.
Blessings.
Your command.
Let's see if I could help.
Your orders.
Laughable. Suffering only makes us stronger.
And your constant whining makes me even more furious. Keep it up.
Let's see if I could help.
I can take them all.
Blessings. For the Lord Almighty.
Your orders.
Kneel before your king.
Your command.
Let's finish the monster. The Grail is gone. The king should be dead.
Fool! I am the Grail. I am the light. I am eternal.
For my Camelot.
My vassals, they are desecrating the blessed halls of the Grail. Kill them!
How many sides do I have to kill you?
The Lord guides me.
I fight for honor.
Sword or sorcery?
I can take them all.
The Lord is my witness.
Time to feed the ravens.
A new world will rise from the ashes. ashes of the wasteland. These pagan.
Which one of you had this great idea? Wait.
Your command.
You think I can't fight?
No mercy for the wicked.
None can stand in my way. Let me cut you to size.
I serve the Lord.
Hang in there.
I could be of some help, I suppose.
The Fisher King is dead, but the wound he tore into this world might never heal. Still, 2 fragments of Arthur's soul have been destroyed. Let's see what the lady has to say about that.
I've got this to good use.
Deliver us from temptation.
Equal share to all. A chest over there.
Trinkets, I suppose.
to me, my champion.
So I am your champion now?
You have destroyed the second shard of Arthur's torn soul. It's a reason to celebrate.
Not to mention that a Christian king is dead.
You should really know by now that I'm not taking sides. You don't believe me, do you? Would it convince you if I sent you against the demigods of the old faith?
You are talking about the She, aren't you? I fought them in the Battle of Camlan.
Not those ones, my vengeful knight. This is the land of pure magic. So the Seelie and the Unseelie made themselves very comfortable here. They have become extremely powerful.
Am I sensing bitterness here?
Let's say I don't have as much power over their deep wood as anywhere else in Avalon.
Can you open a gate for me? Or use your powers to take me there?
No. You need a guide into that twilight realm. You must find the fairy knight, who is neither human nor she.
Let's say I enter the deep wood. Then what?
Then you must cut and burn your way through that damned forest. Find Arthur's fragment and destroy it.